National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sangamon County, southeastern Morgan County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Franklin, or 10 miles southeast of Jacksonville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located near Waverly, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chatham, Alexander, Auburn, Pawnee, New Berlin, Waverly, Divernon, Loami, Franklin, Air, Berry, Louder, Glenarm, and Nortonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile marker 78 and 90. Interstate 72 between mile marker 69 and 73, and near mile marker 75.
At 7 p.m. in Springfield,